Welcome back, guys. Today I'm bringing you another exciting project on ground. I'm going to bring you, I always bring you a legit project. So today we are going to go to the Telegram and then go to Elite Income. You'll see the link to this project. So when you come to this, we are going to talk about Memefi. People are mining it. Memefi will be launching soon. I'm going to bring you the listing date very soon. So Memefi is a game and the third largest meme coin on the ecosystem of the ton. So this is the link to Memefi. When you click on Memefi, this is how Memefi is. You come down here, you click on play and earn, and then you click on start. So when you come to Memefi, I'm going to show you some hack on Memefi for you to get more coin, gathered more coin immediately. See, immediately you join, you are going to claim 10,000 of the bonus coin. This is it. So you also claim the bonus. So I have claimed the 10,000. So I have 10,000 of the Memefi coin. And then how to mine is by tapping on this Memefi legend that is there. See, I'm tapping on the Memefi legend that is there. Now, as I am tapping now, I'm getting 1. My coin here is reducing. So I got 1,000 to mine and then increase my coin. But there are other ways to get the coin fast, which I want to show you in a minute. So this is how to also get a coin fast. Remember, if you are able to beat this guy, you enter another level. So if you get, let me show you what I want to show. So when you come to this place that they say earn, try and perform all this Memefi campaign earning, and then you will get 160,000 Memefi coin. Now I want to show you something. Why? Because come here to mine 1 before you could get to millions of the coin, it will take time. So I'm going to show you a hack to use so that you will be able to get to million of Memefi very easily. So first of all, if you come to this boost, you see tap bot. This is the bot that tapped for you when you are not around. So it's 200,000 worth of Memefi coin. So as such, we are looking at how to get 200,000 first, so that we can do what? We can go and buy this bot. We want to get this 200,000 so that we can get this tap bot, so that the tap bot will be mining for us when we are not around or doing other projects. So what we do now is we go to earn, and then we get to this place, and then we follow. If you follow their Telegram channel, you'll be given 20,000 unit of Memefi. Remember, at the end, I'm going to show you a hack for you to get more coin easily. Now this is their channel. This Memefi channel. You see, they say $300 for 1 million real views. So $30 for 10,000 real views. So Memefi contest. Have you seen? We saw how creative you are on social media. Well, all creativity should be rewarded. Real cash. Have you seen? So they have kept $100,000 and 1 billion unit of the coin, so that they will award those that are having views, posting Memefi. Wow, this is nice. So you join their channel so that you'll be getting such information. And when you join their channel, you'll be given this mark as complete. Come back and click mark as complete. That is it. I've been given 20,000 worth of Memefi. Let's go and check first. Now let me update this. So it's remaining other tasks. When you are done with this task, you get the coin. So let's finish it up. Let me go and follow their Instagram, and then when you are done with the Instagram, you come back. This is their Instagram. You follow, and then you come back to that earning. Sorry, not boost, earning. Come to this earning. When you are done with all these tasks, you'll be given the 160. So I have followed this one. Let me click mark as complete. Make sure you click mark as complete when you are done. I will follow their TikTok. So when you follow their TikTok, you'll be given another 20,000 unit of the Memefi coin. See the numbers of followers that they are having. So you follow them. As I have followed them, then I will mark it as complete. So mark as complete. You follow them, you come back. Sorry, so you follow them, you come back, and then you click and then do mark as complete. Have you seen? Also follow their X, which is their Twitter handle. When you follow their Twitter handle, you come back, you mark as complete. Once you follow the task, return to the app to mark the button as complete to confirm it. See, I did not follow. That is why it's detecting it. So not click it to follow. So try and follow them and then come back. Our aim is to get to when we are not around. So this one must have been a network issue, but it will mark as complete. So you try and finish up all these tasks. When you finish up all these tasks, you'll be given 160,000 plus the 10,000 that we have already here. It will now be 170,000 of this coin. So you can then mine 30,000, or let me show you something. Invite one friend. Invite a friend. And then when you invite a friend, you'll be given 2,500 coin for your invite. And then you enter the next level, you'll be given 12,000. You enter the next level, you'll be given 225,000. Then you gather all this, and then you see I'm in level 1. You gather all this, then you go and buy the tap bot, so that the tap bot will be mining for you. So this is Memefi. You can also boost the number of tap and the energy cap and the recharging speed. Like now, if I use 100 of the coin, I will increase the number of tap that I was having. Remember, I was tapping 1 now. It's going to be 2. So that is Memefi. I'm going to also tell you the listing date of this coin, which is coming very soon. I'll be the first to post here so that you will get it. So this is my level. I just open it. So these are people that have 999,999. Have you seen? So many people are already here. So try as much as possible to register on Memefi if you have not, and then get the token and then mine and wait for the listing date. So thank you guys. This one is when you refer, you get ×2. So thank you guys, and see you in our next project and on the listing date of this coin. Thank you.